interesting, useful, and I receive the inspiration.
I think it's the way how you engage the people today.
The editing is always like, ah! But he explained it very well. So I'm so glad that I'm here.
Grazie mille for the whole team for organizing this. I learned so much. I've been dreaming so much about producing my own podcast.
The seminar was amazing. People were great.
When I go back home now, I'm gonna take a lot of knowledge with me, and I'm gonna use them definitely in my daily work.
Good food also, very sympathisch people. Thank you. Mwah.